Hey, if you want to use off-screen motions or gestures on the Realme C67, for sure you can do this. So how it works, first of all, you will have to unlock your phone and you will have to navigate into the settings. From here, go into the additional settings, so you will have to scroll down all the way down, open the additional settings and open gestures and emotions. And first we've got the screen of gestures, and as you can see right here, as you can see, we can draw an O to open camera or draw an V to turn off and off the flashlight. Also, you've got these options to draw reverse V to open the calculator, W to open the recorder, and let's try it. So let's draw, for example, the reverse V. And as you can see, we can quickly open the calculator. Let's try to turn on the flashlight. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah, as you can see, the flashlight is actually turned on. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.